If you're seeing the error, your clock is behind in Chrome along with net:/e rr underscore cert underscore date underscore invalid. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of the most common browser certificate errors, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be solved in just a few minutes. The issue usually comes from incorrect date and time settings, browser cache problems, SSL state issues, or even a website URL that's not valid. So if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, right-click on the clock in the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Adjust Date and Time. This will open the Windows date and time settings. Now make sure that Set Time automatically is turned on. If it's already enabled, you can still refresh it by clicking Sync Now. This is important because an incorrect system clock is the most common reason Chrome shows certificate date errors. If your computer time is even a little bit off, websites with secure HTTP certificates may fail to load properly. After syncing the time, go ahead and close Google Chrome completely. Make sure every Chrome window is shut down, not just minimized. Then reopen Chrome and try visiting the website again. Sometimes Chrome needs a fresh restart to reload certificate information and recognize the updated system time. This simple step solves the problem more often than people realize. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your Chrome cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, select cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. You can keep the time range set to all time if you want to fully refresh Chrome. Then click Delete Data. Over time, corrupted or outdated cached files can interfere with secure connections, so clearing them can remove the certificate warning and help Chrome load the site properly again. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is clear the SSL State in Windows. Press Windows and S on your keyboard and search for Internet options. Open it when it appears. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Content tab. There, you'll see a button labeled Clear SSL State. Click it, and Windows will remove old stored SSL certificate data. This can be especially helpful if the system has saved outdated security information that's now causing the browser to block the page. Now, before you try the website again, it's also a good idea to check the URL carefully. Open Chrome and look at the address bar. Make sure the spelling is correct and that the website is using HTTPS, not just HTTP. A missing letter, a typo, or an expired or fake website can all trigger this warning. If the site address looks suspicious or incorrect, the problem may not be your computer at all. Next, update Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Once it's finished, click Relaunch. Keeping Chrome up to date matters because newer versions include updated security certificates and better compatibility with secure websites. An outdated browser can sometimes fail to verify a website correctly, even if everything else is fine. After all of these steps, try opening the website again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the net:/err underscore cert underscore date underscore invalid error immediately. If the clock was incorrect, syncing the time may be all you needed. If not, clearing the cache, resetting SSL State, checking the URL, and updating Chrome should get you back online. I hope this guide helped you fix the "your clock is behind" error in Chrome. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another browser or Windows error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.